ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Hello.
Hello, come to the location.
Okay.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Greetings from ICC. As proud Kannadigas from Karnataka, we are excited to celebrate Diwali with you in Chemnitz on 23rd of November.
Join us for an evening of vibrant performances showcasing India's rich culture.